Hi there. Today we're introducing our latest innovation, the MaUWB-DSTO chipset, a groundbreaking solution for distributed ranging and positioning applications. DSTO, distributed synchronization and two-way observation. Technology is a precise positioning and ranging technology. It operates with Ultra-Wideband (UWB) technology, enabling accurate distance measurements and positioning between multiple nodes. The system is composed of multiple nodes. Every node in the system can report its distance between itself, with all the other nodes creating peer-to-peer mesh system, suitable for applications such as anti-collision. MaUWB DSTO chipset is based on UWB tech for distributed ranging system that all the nodes, max 20 with default firmware, in the system reports distance between itself with each other nodes. In real-world application with MaUWB DSTO, users can get from every nodes in the system of the distance between itself to every other nodes to create distance real-time, max 500 Hz, monitoring sightism, and if few of the nodes fixed, it can be also used for positioning, as it get distance between the fixed nodes. This MaUWB_ESP32S3UWB DSTO module is based on MaUWB_DSTO chipset and ESP32S3 controller with OLED screen, as gets the distance with other nodes, then display the distance data on the screen. The controller ESP32S3 can either report to console via Wi-Fi or act locally, alarm / stop / turning direction, etc., to avoid collisions in up to 200 meters in open and visible space with accuracy at 10 centimeters. This product can be used for high-frequency interaction and safety / anti-collision, such as drone / robot formation / safety anti-collision warning / smart following and social.